If you're trying to decide between Plus500 and Revolut, you're not alone. Both platforms let you access financial markets, but they're built with very different goals in mind. Let's break down what each one offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can figure out which is the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a dedicated CFD broker designed for people who want to trade markets in a straightforward and accessible way. The platform is clean and beginner-friendly, with support for CFDs on forex, indices, commodities, ETFs, shares, and even cryptocurrencies. One of its standout features is risk management. Things like guaranteed stop-loss orders can help protect you during sharp price swings. If your goal is short-term speculation on global markets without too much complexity, Plus500 is a solid choice. But there are trade-offs. With Plus500, you never actually own the underlying assets. You're only trading on their price movements. That means no dividends, no voting rights, and no long-term wealth building. On top of that, the platform doesn't include advanced charting, in-depth research, or portfolio management features, which can make it feel limited if you're looking for more than short-term trades. Now let's turn to Revolut. Revolut started out as a digital banking and payments app, but over time it added investing features. Through Revolut, you can buy and hold real stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, as well as access commodities like gold and silver. Unlike Plus500, you actually own the assets when you invest through Revolut, which makes it better suited for longer-term strategies. Revolut also integrates investing with everyday banking, so you can manage spending, saving, and trading all in one place. Where Revolut shines is in accessibility and convenience. The app is simple, mobile-first, and designed for people who may be new to investing. Fractional shares, low minimums, and commission-free trading in certain regions make it appealing for casual investors. The trade-off, though, is that Revolut isn't a professional trading platform. It lacks advanced tools, detailed research, or deep market coverage. It's more of a gateway into investing than a place to develop sophisticated trading strategies. So, which one should you choose? If you're interested in actively trading short-term price movements across multiple markets, and you value simplicity, Plus500 is the better option. But if your focus is owning real assets, whether that's stocks, ETFs, or crypto, and you like the idea of combining investing with day-to-day money management, Revolut is the platform that makes more sense. In short, Plus500 is for short-term CFD trading, while Revolut is for longer-term investing and convenience. Both are accessible and beginner-friendly, but your choice really depends on whether you want to trade market prices or actually invest in assets you own. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.